In this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. So from your Coinbase home tab, go ahead and click on Transfer at the bottom right. From here, go ahead and click on Send Crypto. And in this screen, we need to paste in the wallet address from Phantom Wallet. So let's open our Phantom Wallet to obtain this wallet address. So from the Phantom home tab, you're going to click on Receive. So let's go ahead and click on this. And then you need to click on Copy to Clipboard just after Solana. So click on this, and now we can go back to our Coinbase to paste in this wallet address. So after you've pasted in the wallet address, you can click on this button in here, select to send Solana, enter the amount of Solana that you want to send, and after that, click on Preview. If you're in the EU, you need to click on Self-Custody Wallet. And if you're sending to yourself, go ahead and check this box, and otherwise fill in the recipient's full name and country of residence, and after click on Continue. And in this screen, you will see a confirmation of your transfer. And if everything is all right, just go ahead and click on Send Now all the way at the bottom, and that is basically it. After that, you will see a confirmation of your transfer, so now you can just click on Done and go to Phantom Wallet to see if it's already there. So I just refreshed my Phantom Wallet, and I see that my balance is topped up and that my Solana has been received. So that is how you transfer Solana from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.